Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file sales tax in Wyoming. First, you need to register for a sales tax license with the state. This is a crucial initial step before you begin collecting any tax from your customers. Once registered, ensure you are collecting the correct sales tax rate. Finally, determine your filing frequency, which could be monthly, quarterly, or annually based on your sales volume. Now, let's prepare your return. Start by gathering all your sales data, separating taxable sales from exempt ones. This accuracy is key for a smooth filing process. Next, calculate the total sales tax you collected during the filing period. Don't forget to review for any deductions or credits you might be eligible for, as these can reduce your tax liability. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. It's time to submit your return and payment. The easiest way is to file electronically through Wyoming's official state portal. Make sure your payment is submitted on time to avoid any late penalties. Finally, always keep meticulous records of all your sales and tax filings. This practice is essential for future reference and potential audits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.